And this is the Daughters on Health and Wellness. Queen Rita speaking. Today we're going to make homemade chicken pot pies. So right now I want to give honor to the Most High God, the head of my life, His Son, Yahushua HaMashiach, better known as AKA Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit. But her name is the Ruach HaKodesh. There's the head of my life. That's the one that keep me here in time when in times in trouble. That's the one that saves me. So right now we get ready to start making this chicken pot pie. Okay. What I'm doing now is cooking this chicken. What this chicken is, this is thighs. But you see all the water that's in it? So you're going to have to drain the water out. So that's what I'm getting ready to do, to drain the water out. Just a minute. Let me see, get my drainer. Okay, so I'm going to drain this really quick. This is my first time draining it. My first time draining it. So I'm going to drain it because I want to get all that water out. I don't need all that water. Okay? And it's almost done. Okay. Back on the stove. Now, this right here is my cream of mushroom. This right here is the peas that's going to go in it. Okay? And then I do have the pie crust. I didn't make no fresh pie crust. Okay? That's too much for me. So I'm just kind of like, this one don't chop. So let me see, get my, oh, excuse me, King Derek. Let me just get this. Okay. Press it off. Okay. So what I'm doing now is going in. It's actually done, but we want to get a little crispy on it. Like I said, these are thighs. Okay, I like thighs better because with thighs, the meat is moist. Lots of people use, what's that? Chicken breast. I don't use chicken breast. And see, some of my pieces are big. So, you know, it's going to be good. So, just bear with me. This is going to be a quick tutorial. We will have a part 2 to it so you can see how it came out. Okay? So I'm just cutting up some of the big pieces. Okay. And we will drain it again after I cook it to make sure there's no water in it. Okay. Because the chicken soup already has enough water and I put water in it. So now you hear it frying. Okay, see that's a big piece right there. And I'm making 4 today. My mom want one, my brother, and I'm gonna have one for me and King Derek. So any big pieces you see? This is a good chopper for your meat. Okay. There you go. Okay, one fell. That's all right. I know how to use that. And I did put my all seasoning in it. And I let this marinate for a day. Okay? And you'll say, why you didn't cut that little? Because I didn't really realize it was going to be that big. But, hey, you do you, I do me. That's how it's going to work. Okay. Some of you guys already know how to make it, but, you know, I just want to do a quick tutorial on it. Let's see. I'm not going to rush good food. I tell you guys, it's patience. You have to have patience when you are making stuff from scratch, okay? I'm still letting it fry. I might not have to water it because some of the water is gone. Okay. I always do this. I always cut my stuff up and then find out it's a little bit too big. Okay. Actually, I think we're just about ready. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the bowl. It's going to be easier trying to, mess it up. So let me put it in this bowl real quick. Okay. Actually, it's... put in this bowl real quick. Get all the goodness in it, okay? Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna chop it up a little bit while it's in this bowl, okay? You ain't gonna do enough choppings, trust me. See how it looks in there? If he was here, you'll see how it smells. Okay. So now, let me cut this off. We're gonna put it in here. Let me see. Hold on, let me just change it. Okay. We're gonna put in the soup batter. Okay. Really easy. Okay. And we're gonna mix it up. Right. See that cream of chicken? Okay. Okay. We're gonna get rid of this. And now we got the vegetables. I'll put a little at a time. Well, you need a big pot. Okay. Okay. Put the rest of the vegetables in. See, I'll see if I need any more cream of chicken soup once I mix this up. Okay, you can buy those. I don't think so. Do it? I don't think, because it's nice and heavy. But you know what? I always like to put. See? I'm going to let that simmer a little bit. Okay. While I wash my dishes. Y'all know how it is when I wash my dishes. I have to let it simmer a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to start. We don't have to cut it off, just let it sit. So I'm gonna start making. There you go. Why you don't like the dishes after the show? This my show. I'm gonna let you know now, this is my show. And I don't like a whole lot of dishes. I do this all the time. Now, if you don't want, if you make a show, okay. And I want to show you guys my new apron that I made. Matter of fact, I need to put it on. Okay. This is my new apron that I made. And if any of you guys want one, let's move this way. And you guys want one, email me. Because I do embroidery. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you what it says. It says clean meats versus unclean meats. Remember, I tell you, I eat clean meats. Get a shot of this, Jerry. Okay, so if you want one, you can email me at Rita, RITAG 5210 at gmail.com. They're going to come in white and black. Okay, so just picture on that until I finish. So when you wash your dishes as you go to do your food, you don't have to worry about it at the cleanup. See what I'm saying? You don't have to worry about it at the cleanup. So you guys know I wash my dishes. Film it. I'm gonna tell you something I don't do. Alright. There's a lot of people that do what I do. Alright? I'm just giving them a food time to settle. Okay? Yeah, I'm giving them food time to settle. So just sit a little bit while I prepare myself for the pie. You can get any pie crust. You don't have to worry about it. Any pie crust will do just fine. I have my brother coming over here to pick up his. So you know how that is. That's my little brother. And I'm going to make me some pomegranate juice for my mom because she got a pomegranate tree. Okay, that's good. Okay, here I come. Alright. Like I said, you can get any pie crust. It don't make no difference what pie crust you get. I ain't stuck on stuff that I have to have a brand spanking new stuff or some. Okay, so we're gonna take these pie crusts and we're gonna put them in here because we want them kind of how you say, a little brown. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Now I have 2 more pie crusts. That's gonna be the top, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay. So as soon as I get this one settled again. Okay. I don't like dirty stuff. So you'll always see me cleaning up as I cook. Yeah. I don't want y'all to say, oh, she got a dirty old kitchen. No, I ain't got no dirty kitchen. That's one thing I don't have. Okay. So I'm going to get this right here. Rinse it off. Okay. Yeah, see? It's done got thick. Yeah. So as those, so how many did we put in here, King? I think we put about 4, about 4 or 5. 4. Yeah, we put about 4 or 5. Yeah. Then we put a little water in it, you guys. Really, the meat and stuff is already done. I'm just mixing it up. Give myself some time. Okay. So what we're gonna do with these pie crusts? We're going to try to get them loose. And let me get a piece of paper. I'm going to use parchment paper. Okay. Then I use parchment paper. See, sometimes this stuff could be stuck. Yeah, okay. You want to take it easy because this stuff is thin. Okay. Sometimes, yeah, you gotta take it easy. All right, we'll do it one more time. And you got to be patient when you cook. You can't be rushing nothing. See? You can't be rushing. Because when you rush, you mess with it. If the pie crust get a little tore, don't worry about that. Easy. Alright. Now this is what we're going to put on top of it, okay? Just mash it together. Okay. Alright? Okay. Now, let me get you, it should be okay. Which it is. Now. Okay. We just want to warm it. Okay? So. Okay. Can you come over here? All right. So we're going to do as best we can. Okay? We're going to put it right here. Okay? Always mix it up. We want it filled. Okay? My little brother, he ain't no joke. That little man can eat. So we want to shake it, okay? It's a little hot, so I can't really shake it, okay? So that's one. So, remember what it's gonna do? Take it easy. Don't be trying to do fast. Okay. Then, do like this. Okay. Okay. And it's a little bit over, so you know, we ain't gonna have to cut it. Okay. This is the queen. Oh, she don't cut it. Okay. Queen checking it, make sure everything is what you call copacetic. Y'all know that word, copacetic. Don't act like you don't know that word. See? Okay. I'm not a perfectionist, but what I do, I like to do it good. Okay. Go around the trimming. Now, we ain't gonna put 4 holes in it. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna sit this to the side because I have to do the second one. Okay. Put this over. No, not this. Excuse me. First, let me get rid of this. Okay. And you can keep these pie pans. Alright. Now the queen got to go in here. Same way. Same way. Okay. Same way. Got to be easy. If you ain't got no patience, ain't no need of you cooking nothing like this, because you got to have patience. Cooking is about patience. Y'all know y'all had y'all mamas and y'all daddies, and they had to cook for y'all. But they had patience to feed their children. So make sure you got some patience. Okay? Okay, here it goes. Okay. Don't worry about that. It'll be all right, okay? All right. So now we're going to do the second one. All right. We're going to put it like this. I know I got my oven open. I have it open for a reason. Okay, you guys, so. Well, let's see. Yeah, that's too hot. I'll be putting it hot. Yep. My mom, she likes my food tutorial. And if I have some left, I usually go over there and give it to her. Okay? Okay. So them big chunks of meat. Okay. I'm gonna have to shake it up. There you go. Okay. Now put it over here. Once more again. Be gentle with your food. Don't be trying. Ooh. Y'all know how y'all is. Okay. Real easy. Don't be worried about all that. You can put that, this ain't nothing but though. You can put that stuff right back. Okay. So, what we're going to do, we're going to make the rest of them, but we're just showing you how to make them. Not saying you don't know how to make them. Let me give me another knife. Okay. We're going to put the holes in here. So, you can cut off or peel off. I'll just push it with my hand. Okay? Okay. What we're going to do now, we're going to put these in the oven, and we can continue to make the others. Okay? Okay. So like I said, this is the Daughter Zion Health and Wellness, Queen Rita speaking. If you're interested in one of these aprons, they're going to be coming in black and white. I'm not going to make them up. I'm going to make them as ordered. So my email address is 5, oh my God, ritag5210@gmail.com. Hit me up. And also I have not another tutorial, but if you like to learn how to can, I have a sister by the name of Queen Mary Brown, and you look her up on my on my YouTube page, and where it says less, you can hit the thing that says more, and she'll be more than welcome to help you learn how to can. Subscribe, hit the like button or the dislike button, But I'm out. I'll see you in the next video. Shalom.